So on this 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser, my rear hatch stopped working. I could not open it from the outside. From the inside, the handle would work. There's a plastic retaining clip on this arm that comes up from the handle assembly. Of course, you can't buy just a plastic clip. You've got to buy the whole handle assembly. It's about $45, I think, from Toyota, depending which dealership you buy it from. And it would fall out, just like that. You can better visualize that clip there on the end of that arm. You can see there's a couple, I guess, nubbins there. They go through that hole. You can see it at the top of the screen there to keep it retained in place. Those have obviously worn out or broken off. That top nubbin still protruding some. I think there's probably supposed to be one on the bottom that's broken off. So it would just drop out every time you try to open it. Again, there's that upper handle assembly you can purchase if you want. However, there's the fix. It's just a simple zip tie to the rescue. I wrapped it around that arm in the back, looped it around the arm from the handle assembly, and it works. Twists a little bit to the side, but I've had it on for a month now, and doesn't seem to be an issue. Still opens from the back side. We'll see how long it lasts. I will provide a link, though, for those of you that want to buy it with the part number from Toyota. I've been buying all my parts lately from Roseville Toyota online. They seem to have a pretty good discount. I've heard Camelback also has a decent discount. I purchased from them before. Roseville Toyota has a free ship option. I think it was over $100.